Club, aka the Kids Club.
We're gonna go walk down there. You can't get dropped off yet. This is just exploring. Give me. You may take it. All right, Matt, you can take my bag. Trade you. Is it our recording?
It's recording.
Okay. I'm gonna go this way. All right, Tillman, where are you going down?
We're going down this side too.
Okay, and I'll be down. Okay, I'll be down there in a second. Daddy's gonna go down with the bags. Wait until they. All right. Wait until she says you're gonna go, Sadie. Oh my. Yes. Oh my. This could be interesting with the dress on. Woo! You good? Okay. There's what? Oh man, hold on, we gotta wait for Daddy. Hold on, we gotta wait for Daddy. Go over there with Daddy. Go over here with Daddy. Tell Sadie, over here. They're inside where the passports are. Look here, guys.
Return the bands since they
have the magic bands.
The magic bands.
All right, guys. Sadie, are you so excited?
Disney Junior Dance Party.
Okay, come here. Hold on, we're gonna wait right here. Look, that's the hand washing stations right there. Look, here. Look and see what. Let's see if we can find some characters on the wall right here. Tillman, right here. Tillman, look at the wall right here. The Queen of Hearts. Oh, come here, Sadie. Come here, Tillman. Go down. Oh, I think he just went away. Look, Tillman, right here. What is this? The Star Wars room. I saw Spider-Man just disappear. Oh, man. Go push the buttons. Go push the buttons. Oh, man, Sadie, look. All kind of buttons to press. Let's see, do they do anything? Or you just push them? What am I looking at? Okay. Oh man. All right. Look, you wanna look? Come here, guys. Come here. There's a little seat you can sit in over here. Come over here, Tillman. You can go sit at this little table right here. Tillman, come here. Come sit at this little table. Come here. Go sit. It's a little porg. Yeah. It's a porg. All right, here, let me take your picture real quick. Hold on. Hold on. I'm coming. Hold on, I'm coming.
What's coming out of the water?
Oh, man. Sadie, where you at, girl? Hold on. Okay. Okay. I'm watching you. Marvel Superhero Academy. Tillman, slow down. Wait for us. All right, go, Sadie. I saw Spider-Man coming out of here a second ago. It says out of service right now, Sadie. Just looking at stuff right now. Let's see. Oh, Captain America. Oh, it's got. Look at this, Sadie. Sadie, look at this. It's where later you can do it where you're like, he's got it. He just ran off again. Matt, he's over that way.
Mama, look at this.
I see. What is it, Sadie? Go over here. Go over here. Go over here. So cool.
Look at that.
Oh, it's Black Widow. Let's see what we can find next. I'm following you.
Okay.
Walk, please. Sadie, walk, please. Oh, look, here's the bathrooms, guys. Tillman, here's the bathrooms. You want to try out the hand washing station? Try it out. All right, you just stick your hands in there. Stick your hands in there. Stick them all the way in. Are you doing it, Tillman?
Yeah, I am.
That's how you wash your hands.
I do.
All right, I think they're dry. All right, I'm dry them off. Tillman, dry them off. Tillman. All right, we got Imagineering. Here, let's go in the princess room first. Hold on. Let Sadie kind of lead the way in this one. Sit. Oh, tap your band. Did it work, Sadie? Try it again. Oh, you got it. Okay, here you go. Back up a little bit.
Hey, give me your magic band, Sadie.
Try it again. Hold on. Here. Let me try mine.
Grab that.
Okay. All right. Stand in front of the screen. All right. Stand still, it says. Okay. Here, you can be me. Tillman, yours isn't going to work yet. All right, Sadie. Here you go.
Let's play a game together.
All right, pick which one you want. Let's see. Gonna do. Hold on.
Hover your hand over the icons to select.
There you go. We're gonna do ice magic. There you go. It says stand in front of the screen. Sadie's gonna make ice. Anna and Elsa.
Candy.
That's not real though. Leave it there.
What's in here?
Okay.
Oh.
Leave it alone. All right, Sadie. It just says stand there. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go look in this room real quick. There's Rapunzel's right here. Rapunzel's art tower. Tillman, you need to be over there, Daddy. Here's BB Bell's library. Lumiere and Cogsworth. So cool. The lights up here. Tillman. In here.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah, she did it. It took a minute for mine to work. It says stand still. She's already done that part. There it goes. There you go. Look at the little off. You got to hold up your hand to pick a game, Sadie.
Which one?
You got to come over here, Sadie. Back up a little bit.
Hover your hand
Daddy-o.
to select the game.
Tillman, where are we going?
To the Imagineer.
Okay, go ahead. Walk with your arms down. Here, go stand over here in front of the sign, Tillman. Tillman, stand right here in the sign. Hold on. Go stand beside it, Tillman. Go all the way over. Okay, hold on. Okay, go in here and let's see it. Come on, sit. Okay, Tillman, let's look in this room first. Sadie. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Just, oh, they got, look, Tillman, look. Okay, here, get your picture right there in front of it. I'll take that. Okay. All right. Okay, let's look in this room because people are using that one right now. Look over here, Tillman. Look over right here. So cool. I see. No, more here. Go right here in front of this sign too. Move over to the side though. Hey, over here so you can see the sign. Over. There you go. All right, here, come look up. I know you want to go in there. There's people in there right now. We'll see what's all over here. Look.
Oh, look, Remy.
Remy.
Figment.
That's so cool.
Tron.
Tron.
Wait,
That was like, I guess, animatronic hands. Look down here, Tillman. Big Thunder Mountain.
wait, what's that?
I don't know. To figure
Gems from-
the gems from Seven Dwarfs.
Oh, look, wait.
That's the Tiki Room. Oh, that's Pirates of the Caribbean.
Wait, how?
Look who it is. Here, let's get your picture of Figment.
Cheese.
Oh my God. I don't know. Let's look right here. Come get your picture in front of this too.
Wait, what's that?
I don't know. It says, oh, it's from Disney. Here, stand right here. Let me get your picture in front of that sun too.
Cheese.
Look at all this stuff, Tillman.
Oh, do you see this?
Yeah.
It's the stuff they use for.
All right, let's go walk over here to this room. But listen, there's people already in it. Okay. Let's see. There's Sadie's across the hall. Wait, Tillman. You gotta design your ride right there. Sadie, you ride? You riding Big Thunder? Oh man, let me come over here. It says, okay, you do Big Thunder. You gotta do Big Thunder first. Okay. All right, pick it. You get that's gonna be the name of your ride. Sadie, how is it? Good.
Oh, screaming.
Okay.
Wait.
This is so cool. All right, go and click it.
Wait.
Pick the name of Then click. There you go. All right, click select. Move on.
Select.
Move on. Then you can ride it. I think you have to. All right, you get to make the track. So you pick out which. Just start clicking track pieces.
Select your first piece of track.
Right there.
Just tap
Pick one.
the highlighted track options.
Pick one and then go. Sadie, how's the ride going? Ah! Oh man. Oh no, Sadie. Oh my goodness gracious, Sadie. So wild ride. Here you go, Matt. Pass this back to you in a minute. You take it back.
Crazy. There she goes.
It's fun? You gotta go on the real one, don't you? Woo! Can I ride? I can ride. Hold on, come here. Sadie, come ride with me.
Your cookie will be perfect.
Alright, let's see. I wanna ride. Can I ride?
You will not.
Alright, here we go. Wrinkly Rattlers. Alright. We ride it together?
Head back to the design section and
Hold on to the ball.
Okay, I will.
Sadie, go ahead and scan yours.
Tillman's still designed over there. Alright. Here we go.
Scan yours, Sadie.
Scan your Sadie. There you go. Oh, it does feel real. Sadie, you can handle this now. Oh. It's a really relaxing ride. Yeah. Now you're ready. Right, yeah. Sadie, you have your hand.
On ride now, get ready for the thrills of Turbo Twister.
All right, here we go.
Turbo Twister.
Okay, hang on, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my.
The wilderness.
This is the one that we're on.
Oh man.
There they go.
Inside of that, they have a tiny
What do you think, Sadie?
Oh yeah, this feels real. Sadie, we can do all this. So if I want to cancel the order, I have to call.
There they go. Wild rides. Alright.
Can you help me make my own?
Alright, no, come on, we're gonna. You got plenty of time to do this. Alright, y'all.
Wait, but I haven't.
Come on, let's go look at the different ones.
Tell me bye.
So, Daddy, bye.
See ya.